You see, you've ingested a course. My entire course content tells you what to do and how to do it, but it doesn't have the time, nor do I have the inclination to tell you what not to do. That's what the rest of the world does, is they look for laundromats for sale. And you're being bombarded by the internet, people telling you here's the best way to buy a laundromat. But what's the evil word in that statement?
Okay, I have a question. I contacted a real estate agent through BizBuySell. Oh, you hear me?
I'm listening to every word, yes.
Oh, okay. The thing was with her, I told her, I had a partner and I wanted to speak with that we would want to speak with her on today. She wouldn't give any information on the property. She said there was an NDA that needed to be signed in order to get the address and I guess there's other parts of the NDA. She never sent it to me. But do you think that that's worthwhile contacting her?
What you did was went on BizBuySell and found a laundromat for sale. Then you reached out to a business broker, and the business broker said, sign a non-disclosure agreement before I give you anything, the address or any information, or go f yourself. Is that what we do here at Free Laundromat?
No.
Okay, what do we do?
No, you scout the location.
Not me, we.
Okay,
so what'd you do wrong?
Why'd you do it? I needed the work.
Let's call that laundromat the Main Street Laundromat, okay? And it sits on Main Street. Is it a piece of shit?
I wouldn't know.
Sure it is. Absolutely it is. Because they're trying to sell it. It's not making them any money or they wouldn't be selling it. Understood?
Yeah.
So you're in Florida and this laundromat is on Main Street and it happens to be for sale. So how are you going to find it?
Exactly.
By scouting every laundromat in town. That's how you find it. The fact that it happens to be for sale doesn't mean anything to you. So stop sitting in your spare time and asking the computer where the laundromats for sale are.
Okay.
Will you eventually walk into the Main Street Laundromat and look around and take photos and you and I call the landlord, not the broker, not the failed business operator who's trying to sell it, but the landlord or his agent? That's who we call. So what did you do wrong?
I mean, I just called just to see what they would say.
Are you taking this personally? What did you do wrong?
Calling them would have been the wrong move.
You started looking for laundromats for sale, and you'll find them all the live long day in Florida, California, and all the 28 other countries and 50 states that I've done this. So don't do that. Now you're fixating, gee willikers, I want to know where that laundry is, and that mean business broker wouldn't tell me. Of course she won't. And she didn't even bother to send you the NDA?
No.
Why?
Well, I told her I was going to get in contact with her today. But
you're not going to get in contact with her today because there's no reason for it.
I got you.
Do you?
But you're too much trouble.
No, I'm not calling her at all. No reason.
You see, you've ingested a course. My entire course content tells you what to do and how to do it, but it doesn't have the time, nor do I have the inclination to tell you what not to do. That's what the rest of the world does, is they look for laundromats for sale. And you're being bombarded by the internet, people telling you here's the best way to buy a laundromat. But what's the evil word in that statement?
Oh, no. What your course taught me was this. Because when I was speaking with the lady, all of a sudden it's a absentee. No, not absentee. It was she had a story about she said owner, which you let us know that that's not what that is. She said the owner is wants to give up the business, wants to sell the business, and he was a welder and all of this.
But a lot of people are in this business to make money.
And I was like, in your course, it taught me. I was like, hold on, I don't need to be dealing with him. like you said, I need to deal with the owner or the landlord.
So now you're fixated on trying to locate the landlord or his agent or the physical address. You're not going to get it through the broker or a non-disclosure. If she calls you, ignore her. If you get a blocked line call, ignore it. She is not the answer. The answer is to scout every store, and eventually you'll walk into it.
Oh yeah, it's kind of not within your teaching. It's about an hour away, hour and some change. I know you said we need to try to find something a little closer for the first store, but I'm gonna have to go down there because I've been in almost every laundromat in this area, so I'm taking a trip a little further out going forward if we don't get any returns on anything soon. But that's no problem.
Don't reach out to business brokers.
All right.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.